not matter to me if you run or not. I have eyes everywhere. Have you not had enough already? They appear to be out of my sight, but they will never be out of my memory. Why must they be so difficult? You are not very good at this. I would consider switching characters. It is a shame that you think I cannot see you behind those walls. Come to me, and I will make the erasure process less painful for you. Disappointing. Such a shame to have your life burnt out this fast. You had so much potential, and you use it to defy. Such disrespect coming from such a pitiful creature. Watch out. You are in the wrong lane. Correction is needed for rule breakers. A bit violent for my taste, but it is needed. Should not have intervened, don't you think? You are not leaving without injury. It appears more force is needed next time. Win or lose, I am not playing for trophies. Finally, blissful silence. You were never made to be